If your roofing installs feel chaotic, your production team needs to think and move like an octopus. I'm Adam Sand, CEO of the Roofing Business Partner. In this video, I'll break down the 4 key roles that keep everything running: the production manager, the brain; field manager, the eyes; site supervisors, the arms; and the production coordinator, the mouth, and exactly when to add each so you get happier customers, fewer callbacks, and more capacity.
So production manager is the brain of the octopus. They focus on supplier-vendor relationships and managing the production calendar, the process of production. The field manager is the eyes of the octopus, and they're responsible for coordinating with the site supervisors and managing customer interactions. They're the leadership out in the field that's executing on the production manager's plan, so the production manager can stay forward-looking. And then the site supervisors are the arms of the production department, right? They're the actual ones that are on site all day, who act as the face and the marketing presence, the sales presence. They're the creators of opportunities. This whole structure is aligned with everything that you guys have in your intentions, which is that you want happy customers, you want profitable jobs, and you want more leads. But the other role that can sometimes creep in around 4 to 6 jobs a day is the production coordinator. And this is the mouth of the octopus. They're the capacity force multiplier of the production manager. When the production manager is handling 4 to 6 jobs per day, it means they're doing 4 to 6 material orders, 4 to 6 work orders, 4 to 6 install schedule dates, 4 to 6 communications to customers about the install date. At 4 to 6 per day, that's where it starts to get to be too much. You can use systems like HubSpot to optimize, but then you need a force multiplier. And that's where the production coordinator comes in, because they become the primary point of contact for customers. So production manager is still dealing with vendors, suppliers, and crews, because they understand what it takes to do a job. They understand what it's like to be an installer, but the coordinator can handle the customer communication. They provide administration efficiency, so they will many times do some of the legwork. They're directed by the production manager on all their duties. So the production coordinator works directly for the production manager, and then the front line of defense in all matters customer heat. So they're that capacitor that takes those calls and can maybe orchestrate the things that are need to be done by the production manager without taking the production manager out of flow.